Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Nancy.
This is my braid pattern. So I have a row at the bottom with just 3 braids, and then 3 up here, and then this part here, this front bit is what I've left to figure out what I want as a leave out. So I might do more or less. This is the leave out part. I'm just gonna tie this up just so it's out of the way to do that. I'm gonna loosen up this band here, okay, and I'm gonna loosen this part over here as well. Okay, you see, so this front part, this is a clip here, put it here, and then okay, and there's just one here. Okay, it's looking good already actually, so I'm excited for this. Let's take these clips down. The one thing I will say though is that I wish this wig came in like different colors. It only comes in one color. Ooh, this looks good. You know what, let me get this wig together and then we'll go through the length and everything. Let me try and get it to blend. How it looks now is not good, but so let's get this. Let's brush this in. Okay. Oh, and my hair, my natural hair is washed and blow dried. I've just had it in braids for like a few days. So yeah. I think I should have less hair at the front. I should have less leave out. I should try and do less leave out, but let's get this looking good as to how I would wear it. Okay, I think I like it like this actually. This looks cute. Does this look cute? Do you like it? Okay, let me show you. I have no idea what it's looking like in the back, but I hope it is blending. I hope it looks good. The wig does feel secure, but I think I would definitely want to like bring the wig forward a little bit. Let me just try to brush my hair into this wig a bit more. Is that my white hair? Oh Lord have mercy, it is my white hair, not the wig. Towards the back, I don't know if you'll see it. I don't know if you will see it. It comes down to like just the beginning of my butt crack. That's where it comes to. And for reference, I'm 5'1". So that's where it comes up to me, and I got 22 inches. But yeah, I think the next thing I'll do with this wig is I think I'll dye it. Let's try a different hairstyle. So let's try and do like a half up, half down sort of situation. I'm just gonna randomly pick. Okay, this doesn't look bad. I think if I did something like this, I'll probably slick it a bit more, but this looks alright, kind of. Yeah, it looks alright. I like this too, but let's try and do less leave out now. Okay, finally we have less leave out, so let's see if it looks better with a little bit less leave out. The thing is, it didn't look bad with more leave out. I just think it looked really like huge, giving lioness, and I just wanted it to be a little bit less dramatic, I guess. What do you guys think? I love it. I think the wig looks really, really good actually. I think I would wear it like this, more like a side part situation. This is it, guys. The other thing I'll say with this wig is that next time it's probably better for me to do braids, like cornrows, instead of flat for this wig, because I can obviously feel a lump. Hopefully you can't see the lump, the volume from my hair, but I think I would feel more comfortable with the wig if I did cornrows. So I'll definitely do cornrows as well next time. And I also think I'm gonna dye this wig to 1B color so that it just matches my natural hair a bit better. The color difference is not as noticeable, but let me know what you think. I think this wig is really nice, definitely versatile, and the main reason why I wanted to get this wig is because I really needed to like reduce the amount of heat I was putting on my hair. I'm restarting my journey of like growing my hair tailbone length. I definitely had to reduce the heat because my ends are thinning, and so I was like, okay, cool, gotta reduce heat. What can I do? And when it comes to things like braids and stuff like that, and the wigs that you stick on your head, I've never done any of those before, and I just don't think it's like for me in terms of knowing how I am and just like my everyday. I don't want to be sticking down a wig. I want it to be as easy as possible, but I also want something where I can access my scalp and then go ahead and just wash my hair on a weekly basis, and I can still manage my usual routine. So with this half wig, obviously I can take it off, put it on whenever I need to. I can still reach my scalp, wash my hair, moisturize my ends, I can still maintain pretty much my whole routine that I do to my hair. I can still maintain that whole routine whilst having this wig on. So that is the main reason why I got this wig. So I think if you are looking for something, and this is my first time actually buying a wig where it's like kinky. Most of the wigs I've had is more like Malaysian and all that, Burmese curly and stuff like that. So I think this was definitely a good shout, because then I could just blow dry my hair on a lower heat and then just wear this wig, because in my opinion, I think it matches me really well, matches my natural hair texture really well, my blow dry texture. I also want to give a try sort of straightening this wig to see how that will work out. And I'm definitely gonna dye it, and if I dye it, I'll let you guys know how it goes. But guys, this is ISEE hair half wig kinky straight 22 inches. There will be a discount code down below if it's not on the screen right now. But let me know in the comments what you think. Are you thinking to get this wig? If you do get it, what do you think? What do you like? So I love this wig so much, and I just feel like it suits me. It's cutesy. It's cutesy. So
Are you gonna be